Alright, so here we go, guys. I am pushing it. I had surgery this week. And my brother is now working at Haunted Mansion, and he's a skipper for the Jungle Cruise. This might be the only time that I can see him. Oh my God, I'm in heaven. I need to slow down, Joy. There it is. So we're trying to go over to Magic Kingdom quickly so I can go see my brother do his thing at the Jungle Cruise. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, let's go. Alright, so here we are. We finally made it to the Magic Kingdom. Yes, this will probably be one of my last times that I'm going to be able to come out here for a little bit. So I'm pretty excited to be here. I'm excited to see the Christmas decorations. We got 15 minutes to make it back to where my brother's working. So I hope I can make it. I am pushing myself today because...
Not Haunted Mansion, it's somewhere else.
Yes, but...
Don't even say it.
Okay, I won't say it. But here we go, here we go. You ready to see the tree? You ready? You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Bam! Our first look. Looks just like it did last year. But I'm happy. Huh?
I'm gonna be on TV in front of that.
Yes, okay, so I don't know when I'm gonna edit this video, but my daughter and my sister and my brother and basically my whole family except for me will be on all of the Christmas specials. One is Thanksgiving, one is Christmas,
13th on Disney Channel,
and Disney 13th Freeform. So we gotta hurry up and go see my brother. A view that I will never ever take for granted. Even though I live here, I never thought anything could keep me away from the castle. But this is just temporary, guys. This is just temporary. Nothing's gonna keep me away from going to Disney. It may be suspended for a little while, but nothing's gonna keep me away from this view. Okay, so we made it. Can you wait, Matthew? So he has told me I'm not allowed to record him. Go ahead, go ahead. I'm not allowed to record, which is fine, but I just want to show you guys, if you come and see my brother, you better come say hello. He looks amazing, but I'm not allowed to record his jokes.
Looking at you, looking at me, yeah.
Disney ducks. Look at my toe. My toes are like right there. Like, go away. Don't eat my toe. Look, it's so close. But I just want to say, I know my brother will watch this. He was made for this role. Like, straight up made for this role. Yeah, he said I couldn't record it. I don't know why. Probably because there was jokes about family in there. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah. So that's that. I'm really proud of him. So he's still working at Mansion and at the Skipper Cruise, Jungle Cruise. But try to get in his boat if you see him because he's amazing. Oh my God! So the Christmas party is tonight, even though we're not here for the Christmas party. This is everything. I'm gonna talk to kids now. Talk to kids. Do you have any gold to share? I need it bad.
Okay.
Really bad.
That's unfortunate, isn't it?
I do.
If you find any, we can split it in even 10%, 90%.
No, it's the other way around. I get 90%, you get 10%.
Are you a captain? No.
I have the map.
Where's the man?
I have it. It's in this bag.
Let me see it.
It's locked. The bag is locked.
So is my help.
I have
my
to
help
keep...
is locked in place. It's unfortunate, isn't it? We put ourselves in these circumstances.
Oh, man. I'm gonna come back around. I know you got the gold. I did. I do. Look, it stopped right here just for me. That's just creepy.
Painful spooks have interrupted our
You're a creepy lady.
Please remain seated.
Go home, you creeper.
Bucket.
I'm gonna push you out the window, creepy lady. People must hate me right now. Horse.
We have been unavoidably detained by pranking spirits. Kindly remain seated in
Crazy
your
old
due
lady. Alright guys, so you know I had to check it out. This one in particular is, and she just told me, and I this is pass holder or party? This is party, and you get all 5 pins. It is limited edition, and this is only $125. But then you have it in like a really amazing framed glass. This is, I'm gonna try to zoom in so you can kind of see each. Oh, look at the gingerbread, it's so cute. I actually like them all, it's really cute. This one is $250 or $225? Oh, and it comes with the extra pen. And then they also have this one here, which is party exclusive, which is $15.99. And this one is pass holder exclusive, $15.99. So super cute. And look at this. I know all of you guys love Alex and Ani so much. This is the Christmas party one. It's probably $44.99. It is. So super cute. And
Oh my god.
it's a legit notebook. Let me see. Turn it around. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my god, that is so cool. How much is that? 20? I figure. That's super cute.
Flip it all the way.
We're in, what is this, Stargazers? This is where the people mover comes through right here. That's Nightmare. Oh, so that's cool. So instead of having like little purses now, they have little notebooks. Oh,
He ripped the paper.
Oh, wait a minute.
Hello.
I saw this. This was so cute.
Oh, you can hang this right here. You're done.
$25. I need this.
Hello.
So soft.
I want this. But wait, I want the ties to go with it. Oh my god, it's so fluffy. Oh my gosh. Turn it around, turn it around, turn it around. Oh my god, I need this in my life. Oh, it's, you guys, this is so soft. And this one's cute too. Like, I definitely still want this one, but this one is like first choice for me. And then the leggings to go with it. Yes. And then this is another thing I want. So, you know what? I don't even know if I can release this video because my family does not know about my brother being in the Jungle Cruise yet. So, this is what I want, Joy. Joy, take note. This is what I want, okay? And I wanted this onesie that my brother got too. This is so cute. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, and it lights up. This is adorable. How much is this? 40? 30. Happy holidays from the gang. I love it. I absolutely. What is this that I see over here? Say it isn't so. It's double-sided? What? Shut the fuck up. Oh my god. I have so many people that love Chip and Dale, and it's two-sided.
This is Rescue Rangers.
Rescue Rangers. How much is this? It's not lounge fly. Oh my gosh. There goes my video. Pick it up. Pick it up. How much is it? Oh my, how much is it? How much is 70 maybe? $80. I was close. Oh, but they got a new Chip and Dale Rescue Ranger shirt, $34.99. Super cute. This is that guy. Look what I found in the corner. It's so cute. It's the Spirit jersey for, wait baby, the Magic King. Look at this. Look at it. Would you look at it? Oh my gosh. Hold on. I gotta take a picture. Hold on. Hold it still. Oh my gosh, the details. Look at the details.
Look at the sleeve.
It's all about the Disney details. Yes. That is so stinking cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, they got a shirt too. They got a shirt. Oh, okay, so I'll wait for this to hit the outlets. This definitely will hit the outlets this year, just saying. The Spirit jerseys are harder to get, but this is super cute. Look at this one. Look how pretty it is. It's so beautiful. Goodbye, Tomorrowland. Goodbye, land of tomorrow. Goodbye, new Tomorrowland sign. Until next time. And then, of course, the castle. So enchanting as ever. Just like my beautiful daughter. And my handsome son that's walking away from the camera. It's so beautiful. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Standing at the edge of every day. Wait, I'm singing. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. And tomorrow is just a dream away. Wait. Man's got a dream. Everybody. And that's the start. He follows his dream with mind and heart. I don't know. I wonder how long we can stay in the park. Because it's Christmas party. And we're not invited. Why aren't we invited? We should be invited.
It was all the way up there.
Yes, I'm so excited to see you on TV. I can't wait!
And then right here, there was a little tree, and it had the Milo guy and the other girl from Zombies, and that's where they did that scene that I did.
Cool. We're popping in the Emporium. My thoughts on Crocs are they're ugly. But I have to say that these are so ugly, they're cute. Like, I never thought I would say I would want a pair of Crocs in my life, but they're cute! And even my daughter wants them. What did you see?
The onesie.
So, my brother got this onesie. Hold on, Jaden. Let me see. My brother, oh! Who lives in the pineapple under the sea? Oh, I don't know which one I like better. I think I like the black one better. This is everything. It's $90, I already know. He's a lie. He said it was $90. It's $70. Oh my God, that's the Christmas tree skirt that I got on sale at the Disney outlets in California. For like $30, and it's going under my tree this year. I'm so excited about that. This bad boy's like 90 or... Yeah, it's 80. Oh, it lights up! Light it up, light it up, light it up. How much is that? It's super cute.
Oh, it doesn't have batteries.
It doesn't have batteries, so I guess you guys aren't going to be able to see what it looks like. I see! Alright, Magic Kingdom, I will miss you. Maybe I can see you next week.
Yeah.
But don't forget, every day's a gift. Have faith. Joy! Have faith and share the joy. Look at Monorail, Monorail shot, Monorail.